Good morning, party people. It's time to do our morning animal routine. It's supposed to get up to 86, possible chance of rain later, but very slim at like 10 p.m., so not really going to affect us. Look, the macaws are ready for breakfast because I got their eggs. We don't have any of the freeze-dried stuff left, and then I got their seeds too, so they were snacking on nothing so far this morning. Hi, you guys are probably ready to bite my fingers off. All right, there's your scrambled eggs. And then this is Higgins Sunburst, Macaw Seed Diet, and some Rowdy Bush High Energy Breeder Pellets. All right, there you are, birdies. Enjoy your breakfast. Have a good day, little cuties. And I refreshed their water last night. Let's make sure it's still looking fresh. Perfect. All right, birdies. See you guys later. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the warm, hot weather. Ooh, look. It looks like Rascal has an egg bump right there. See that little bump? So she's probably going to lay an egg any day. So that's how you can normally tell. And when she spends a lot of time in the nesting box. All right, now over to the koi pond to feed the koi, which actually we'll first stop over at the quarantine koi. See how they're doing. See if they'll come up for a bite to eat. I mixed some other pellets in here because we were running out of food, so it's kind of crumbly. Are they coming? Are they coming? They're just surely slow to come up. I mean, they get quicker and quicker each day, it seems. Here they come. Yay! Okay. Now on over to the OG koi, which I got them this big bucket of food. Ordered it last night, came this morning. Koi food is very expensive. 14 pounds, little bucket. And I said it comes in a bucket. Guess how much this was for fish food? $110. Isn't that insane? So, kind of crazy. Animals are expensive is moral of the story. But totally worth it. Okay, well, they're going to enjoy that. I do love this bucket that I came with because how lovely for storage. Blue Ridge Platinum Pro. It's a good koi. Okay, we're giving them a little more because they ate that like very quickly. You're supposed to feed your fish as much as they can consume within a few minutes. I forget the exact amount of minutes, but it wasn't quite that. We could check the directions. Usually it says it on these. Oh, feed as much or feed only as much as your fish can eat in 5 minutes. Repeat 2 to 4 times a day. Yeah, we're down to 2, sometimes 3, depending on the day, especially after this big expense. Just kidding. Okay, now on over to the chickie dudes. Let's get them out for their free ranging time. Okay. Good morning, chickens. Hi, what's going on? All right, we got Machu, Leo, Rhonda, and Thelma girl. So it seems like we've got Renee and Luis laying, and then Lucy and Sandy girl are broody. So let's just double check, make sure everyone's here. Sandy and Lucy are in one box. Are you kidding me? Sandy got up off her eggs. And they're cold. What a shitty mother. Oh my God, Sandy, what the F? Get back on your eggs. They're probably all dead by now, but we'll give her, it's worth a shot. Stay on your eggs. Oh, I knew she wasn't going to be a good mother. Lucy has been the best mother yet. Sorry, Lucy, that Sandy messed with your eggs. There you go, honey. Okay, well, we'll see how that turns out. But I guess it's Mother Nature. We can't control it all. All right, we're just saying hi to the baby chicks because I do not have time to chase them around right now. Hi, little chickies. What's going on? All right. Bye-bye. Have a good day, little cuties. All right, that's all we got. Adios, party people. Have a good Thursday. It's almost Friday. Woohoo.